Because I've been working with a 3D IGES mechanical file, AutoCAD has gone into the 3D environment here. So as you can see, I've got X, Y, and Z in blue, red, and green. I've also got my view cube in place here. So I've got top views. I can also do corner views. I can do isometric views. I can do end views, and so on. I just want the top view, like so, and I'm going to leave that as it is. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to export out as an IGES file. Now at the moment, as you can see, it's 15 igesout.dwg at the top of the screen. Now all I've got to do here is type IGES out, so IGESOUT. You can also type IGES in to bring in IGES files. I'll press enter there. And as you can see, there's my WDrum IGES file there. I've got 15 IGES out. That's what I'm going to call it. But let's look at our options here. What can we do with this particular IGES file? As you can see, we can model surfaces, bounded surfaces, map point entities. If I look at the annotation, there's all different fonts that I can bring through. Start, global, author, organization, product IDs, receivers product IDs. What version of IGES are you using? What sort of mapping are you using? There's so many different types of mapping for 3D surfaces. Structure. What structure are you using? Are there any XREFs that you might bring in? Miscellaneous. You can see that there's so much involved with an IGES file. It is one big subject, and I could easily do an entire course on it if you needed me to. I'm not going to worry about any of those actual options there at all. I'm just going to cancel that. I'm going to save it as 15 IGES out and save it as an IGES file. So I'll click on save there. And you'll see there that that has now created an IGES file. Can you see that? IGES translation complete. If I just do F2 there to bring up my text window there, you can see, look, formatting IGES entities, AutoCAD entities mapped, and so on and so forth. And it's now been created. So I'll press F2 again to lose the text window. If I actually type IGES in and press enter, you'll see there that there's the 15 IGES out IGES file. So I'm just going to cancel that there. You see that it's an IGES file ready to be used. So that's how you export out as an IGES file as well as import in from an IGES file.